so jande mbakata damutal dom mballa fila kalon juma lay tefon
nto mo dudulati be sabati nja ibota na mo ibota quality
dudu nga kumol mi moy social media to ani video nga mil jeje mil yalon ko saretol kanaje kam bali tol fay alla dulal to yamina soto ka
binta ene dulani jibe be yalon ne ko saretol kana ibota janne ka bali to fay jang mi ya wasabu fanan ngamiran tol ibota kol as residents ntol le wasabu ka do wasabu nyaade le wala mu comme ça ne ibota jibe bi be tambo minto dula jamal biel mi yalon ko mul manyana sabata la je wari be sabata je anu mune wasabu nte ka fole ko alkali wala be wetlano nyi wafikan anu mobe ya understand ko wetlano nyi ji plus jolem exactly plus jolem ya understand ni bani fata wetlano nyi bele ka fa ni bani jata joy muru ni babe float kan na fata high tide ikaje la na wetlano nyi beto manguru fon so ani musifal na understand for wetlano nyi for is very important maybe tabe important obe for bari for example asentol mako no float so sante ni ajibe ibotan fatale ya kordal be wafi fo sai kata bani ne kono ka bani fo wafi so mol be sabatri bani kono so mine be sabatri ba kono ni ay katum balem okay ni je sang the only thing you can do walem ka for select ko yenanan yelam bari to fayje to backfill the place you understand so you can bari to nyi sa ka fay exactly because it a backfill no with maybe gravel or other things because maybe mon ko do soto you understand because ne dula sam bani kono wo inda ko jamal bonne pour kaje doku so ni man se mo so no the only solution they can do the only solution they have wala ka fa saretele ko yela saretol tanan ka natina bako no ka fay bako no so ka fay ka move ka fay ka move you know ka back filming wala so wala tina saretol kana na Ibo Town kila mbalito fay Ibo Town but amanke ko Ibo Town mbali fay dula soto Ibo Town mbali fay dula soto le because KMC skip bino nati jamoliel so skip bino ni maybe later on Mr. Furaji ya just skip bino nyimbe daminto but ibukataji Ibo Town resident called fanang I will also blame them you understand ntolbele be nyinkang ya jele so they always take the shortcut instead of going to the skip bin yataje papi mije yembale to fayje e bogo okay they just take the shortcut ina nan jam because nyen jam ne jiji nyimu gotality if you look at this town nyina botanang Churches Town you understand and mobe yale ndeko ne sama keta jomin ka bonan Serekunda Joshua Churches Town Talinding abeka bonan janne abeka na nyin silolto
so di mu jibore silol
jamu jibore silolti because jamu wetland net jibore silolem na bota from the gutters it flows to the wetland you understand because na bota gutters nana it has to flow to the wetland you understand but same thing ni ajibe ni gota sol jibe ajibe mbali to be jibe gota kono gota be mbali to so momo kana de ye mbali to ni fay gota kono anu I will urge the residents of Ibo Town min yalon ko ekela dindin ngol lekinan buri na mbali to ni fay jang but dindin ngol de no notin so e ka push so dindin ngol la anim pano ni na mbali to ni fay so ni dindin ngol na obviously e ka tay dron ya fay gota ni kono you understand which means that dindin ngol man fenno so I will blame the parents for doing that and me odla Ibo Town residents so ko wala mako there's a skip bin Ibo Town mi yalon ko KMC ala ndi janne pour momo rafte na mbali to fay ya samba je ya fay je so let them stop this shortcut kana mbali to ñu fay jang because this is not healthy and be yalla ne ko cholera outbreak na nata jang will have problem because of ning and at the end of the day come info this is not only about Ibo Town's problem because at the end of the day ni sasa nata okay abe na Ibo Town call to force but at the end of the day Ibo Town call be borta min tolto me borda health central to me borda kanifinga anim banjul me molle fonan travel min yalon ko will spread the disease to them you understand which means that this is a concern to each and every Gambian so I think so the authorities needs to do something about this
bayri ko ye authority kumo fo jangalon ne ko KMC ite afa la kata don kele ye trash bino kama na mi yalon ko al nyanta fayro kele je bari mol man trawo keka fo alni authority dol diamu tala mi yalon ko wolle fanam be do ko wala pour kan na dandangol topoto
ni authority sol be diamu tale among because let me tell you one thing man na janka point ka you don't compare to exactly man ba fa nyam nga goto okay man na jam pour ka mo chodi and this is not about politics this is something ni alonko I am concerned and this is about health you understand and what I asked in antol ngana tambe bula pour kanyum fight you understand okay same thing I will let you know authorities all bail and not young all authorities responsible have once or twice or three times visited this place with empty promises okay, KMC, they have been here. Yeah, no name young. But at the end of the day, ikanale maybe a greater nati, a trakiso nati. You understand? They clear up. But near clear kotenke, no residents so we have the problem again. Tell them the problem again. Because anytime we report this to KMC, they react to do something about it. Ika trouble natile, not association nga finti nga kuke. But at the end of the day, ninga ke science thing. The next day, you see the resident, he murna koneke ya fai. But ndaka minfo, ni aje fana iba fai la. Okay, I would blame the alcalo. Why would I blame the alcalo? Because the wetland is not meant for resident. It's not meant for settlement. So why the alcalo is still selling people, plot of lands in this wetland? And you can sell me now 5,000, 10,000. It's up to 1 million above. So ni aje mo kana ka korasan 20,000, 25,000. Then yalon ko jema ke sidulati. Wala na hewa sangu kudola. So I will blame those people me yalon ko itole ka korasan ji. Right now if kan farin tol kanne min ka korasan ji because min then ntol bi janne pour ka tonya fo. Because at the end of the day nie wetland be block. Ya wetland be sang. Ya be built. Ya be ke korati. At the end of the day jiomi yalon ko aka bonang Touchstown, the other part of Serekunda, Kana Kaburn Kanajang, Mbea Janisama Joke Kinyami. It comes with speed. So near wetland on your block wrong. With buildings strong, saying what Germany are a Kabuna symbol, then the spit on you talale. So this spit on you talata, then it will cause flood. Because this spit on you talata, German flood no wetland anymore. Because there is no more wetland, German flood no anymore. Then Nijionata, then it starts to runs slowly. When it runs slow, then it starts to flow. You understand? Because Nijoman Duraso, Abita Dabi, Naman, thank you. Naman Borino, Anyanta Boranyami. Then at the end of the day, slowly, now slowly, then it will start to rise. So Abek Mazel Casele, Nasel Abenon Tolacorato. So which means that it told me along, it told me down block. Then one level flow startla, Kakos told me Yalonko. We are sitting in a place is Mialonko. It's a settlement. Right now we don't experience flood. But right now, if a wetland on you block Kanyami, in the near future, you understand? Even though but in the near future, there must be a disaster. Because joining to Borlano, and I'm a symbol of Pukaburi, at the end of the day, Jobe Rice Lale was level on you. Anyana taramina, I'm a symbol soto. So I do not more coral condo. One, even Alcali blame Laura, and I'll agentol. Alcali agentol letter Jamia Longo. It only more like a kacha. Meaning world katata. For a dacor, it will let Alcali to Duma. Ina kacha Alcali na keto digala stamp digal. Jayamomo diamundi jan, wetlanoto. Abeketo Alcali keto bondile. And Untata came in you complain. Jetas came of you complain. Came same from Toleco, Willem, Ntolbucalano wafi. Ntolma semo so the land wafi. So Alcali like a land wafi, maybe an Minister of Lands. So exactly what I nanko. Minister of Lands nyanta finda diamu. Alcali nyanta finda diamu. We have interviewed so many times with the Alcali. Ngani talking with the Alcali several times here. But ni mama ngonata, it can stop le follow. Yana Gambia, nka diamu nga mama ntendrong. After after they continue doing what they are doing. Gambia bona nyam. You understand? Every time. So okay, let's talk about physical planning. They have been here for a number of times. For a number of times. I will not say one, I will not say two. Yeah, everything was going here. Physical planning. They are a branch of the government. Right. But they are not doing what is expected of them. Because anyone settling inside the wetland, a place which is not meant for settlement, I think so, they have all the, because they are mandated to do that. Until you cannot stop them. You can only talk. And coming diamuteng, at the end of the day, you can find Tolkan. And until from Manyan and Mukelanu. Mansakundari and Tena Dokolona, Alkali and Takalonka, Yanta Jam Wafla. Minister of Lands and Tagalone, Jang Yantakajan Wafla, Manyan Wafila. Okay, same physical planning Keka. Okay, you go to NDMA, National Disaster Management Authority. Okay, Santen, come me explain. Gotanunto. Nyata Geomantano. It will call disaster. Was fraud level sotola. So are they going to wait until disaster happen to react? Or do they have to react at the right time? Yeah, and they have been here for so many times. NDMA. You understand? You can promise you tell Hajola. Physical planning promise you tell Hajola. Last time, Minister Natalie, we have a talk with the minister. Minister of Environment. Now, the last time he's talking on TV about Mansakunda program. But it's not true. Another journey, empty promises. I will demol. It will be a community empty promises. Another journey, we make a talk. dula beje ako if they go back they will do something about it but until today femma soto comme ka fanya na mamanta ibe ka fana ko mbek kugel but at the end of the after 2-3 days you know they forget about it you understand so ministry nying mba ojkang itole sembo soto and if they want to stop this they can stop it within a week they can stop it sembo man sakunda lebulu because I don't think so much man sakunda sama court for residing in a wetland there's no way if in man sakunda sama court fang man sakunda be winglale because it's be sirin daming it fa sabateri daming je man ka sabati dulati je man ka sudulati you understand so mbe mim fokang wala mu Minister of Environment try na jang kotenke aya jami me jang kotenke alon ko aya tunu nyaming bila be gonna worse the fang than aya tunu nyaming because in tara kono ni jeje you will be upset and me message turinji you understand so mba for the ministry nyanko amantara do ko la try Ibo Town jibe bake not only Ibo Town even talenting Ibo Town and Joshua ntol belem just Ibo Town be nyum fokang ka fight but talenting is suffering from this likewise Ibo Town and Joshua so maybe for the ministry ye somebody try kuke and Ministry of Lands for the cooking for le message on you put kang wala mo munti Ministry of Lands maybe for le let them stop selling all our lands because ni tada the other side of Ibo Town Joshua ni tada ji our women's garden mi yalonko merol for years ye wadora na soto jang e kata jelto you know kena everything ke and jeni aji baba nyami we have to live with ecosystem we have to live with the ecosystem you understand so it's a very beautiful and you know nature be nyami ji and merol be la garden lol ke kanji everything but right now ni ye je bele wafi nim foreign soul nim forest investor soul which is not right niaje na council is fight for it but council man sembo soto council fight for it council ni fight ntol beta the video soul baby jang the evidence are here but if you fight with government you cannot fight with government council cannot fight with government naka the council cannot fight with government because we have associations here ntol association on ka join nkata council ya nin council ya taje nga fight but at the end of the day ni wafi mom yalonko anala keto dem yamune noje imam fen noje so mbemi advise the Minister of Lands it was stop because Ibo Town Joshua that area nga jedore ne soto glami yalonko se yuro sama birinje ne jam fana jibe comme ba fa nyamen daro right now ni ñu background jibe lore ndami do teng ya iba jele kon lore ndami do teng jamu baltino you understand na dini watu ngam ku jene ndi ba fata you understand okay malika layer for nyamin there was a vast area here you know glami yalonko nga football ken sango di yalonko nga football ken ji so the surrounding of Keno abemu mangrove sol latino you understand so ni bani jata nga football ke jelto ni nga football ke je fu pare come to the other side melori ndami to jang nganku jang so the other side is Talinding this side Ibo Town so what of an Talinding ko kanyo sabale ntole tamu janti Ibo Town tamu janti Talinding tamu janti you understand the playing ground the football field but ni aje something mbalit faydulale amanke football field otenke so ya turn into mbalit faydula munana ya turn into mbalit faydula kan sa yake correct ya bele wa sa yake correct so e kan mbalit to ka fayde ka backfield because balem ni jio fata kana fo jelto you understand but it's something ya jara be nyami so mbe min fokan dara wala mu ntol mam balang hani mo sabati bari ni be sabati la ya sabati dula mi yalon ko sama ate torala ate signor fanan torala but ka sabati jang abe torala sama abe signor fanan torala re ari anab de be complain lala council leto ani government to ko denke andun tol fa way pasabum fanye because ka foko manko do soto ampo wala nata jang no because ite polo no yena sabati dula mi yalon ko it's very difficult pour ya dada because ngamira yeta dula do to sabati je it's more easier than yena jang because jang is far more difficult to develop this place than other places nga understand if niya mo ikafoko because we are poor that's why we are coming here it's simply because ikajang soro nyami wala chipta maybe you just am ga pull out 20,000 25,000 the alkali will give you a plot of land so but 25,000 20,000 they give you a plot of land yena ye fon tora wo fona mon dafa soto bari ni afra ibe fon doron tora no fang maybe at the end of the day sa foko if on like faye but it fon doron tora la you can neighborhood to better tora ko tanke because jamu dal mi yalonko jole nyanta ka float jang so sa na le je be accommodate je mom float je ko tanke so je be mo la ko dale ko no ndol mi yalon kon nene man float soto nene man float experience nga float may la dorong in the near future mbebe commencer ka float adno atole wasabu anu nimbe floata mina ba fola national disaster mon fenke ja mina ba fola council mon fenke ja mina ba fola manzakuna mon fenke ja anu fongole asabu mfaye. So this is the problem. This is what I always say. We are the problems of our own problems. You understand? So nyantam from makoy lale council me makoy manzakuna makoy. It has to start with us. But jang nkanyo blame ne nkanyo nenne bimbe nyim fokang amandia mo jamaaye mo jama ben nenkang mo jama ba faka aba jelale say sabe fala abe kelateng. I always told them mambalanka fa because fa ka mo kirenati because ndaka mimfo ala man kana fa in a way mi yalon ko sama am correct but nyente fa nyinto moru koto it's not a problem to me because ala yalon ko mantra trans ni kan jang mantra dalasi ni kan jang I'm just doing this for my community bani kakane only pour sama diningol mi yalon ko wala nyanta sabati la jang ngol mi yalon ko wala nyanta tara la jang because maybe bintol ndaka min fay maybe B will not suffer from it flood and it was eval but after 5 years after 10 years minukana 100% they will suffer from this. What is this of wetland pour que mon makoy float to so sa ni jambi accommodate as residents sa jebo flood la no min to ko denke na man flood la soto atemura mo la ko rakon it's not going to be a disaster abaka disaster wala nanka nyin kale kabirin say même mo dal kan please jamanke sabati lati mais alkali fana dal kan please let the alkali stop selling people am nga lansia jambe jaw ka bes ya wafil already ye je ne na camera zoom sana ye yo jiba je bo ba joni ponol jibe je be lorenji abem correct already what you how can somebody live in that area? So it's very sad, it's very unfortunate. So maybe for Kandorong, me alko tele jansang. Let them not be mad with me, let them not be angry with me. I'm fighting something me alonko. It's a cause, it's a concern for everybody. So you need to understand that. Because when we think of tomorrow, mbuka BGB, nka sama le mira, mimba hapuna sama, ntolka wale mira, but amanke mimba hapurimbi. So walem.
Mbadi ngola tolle amo nyola drong nga fale nyami bi mbali ibo tanne saintentin dum belorin dane ko janneng ibo tanning talinding temati wala la nane oti annal badima binta esjaw ale ko moy mo nyami drong andung ale video je nyami ni mudulalti mi yalon ko saintem bali to be siarin jang fen noringol be siarin jang mol mi yalo be sabatirin jang ila baluo fon kenya fon ayente fon bala fale katun ko ni yajube sasa dol bi je wol ka fenti nyin dulal leto nyin dulal to tare sa ko mbali fay dula ani fen noringol ka tara dami sako dinding nga dinding jamal fanan je jamil yale be yaay kam balito kono male kam ne nyini febe fenne nyini kan jebang akko nyin adiamo siata bake anto kule mi yala abala fa warta mbe mo kumandila mil yala ko wolle be do ko wala authority mil boko KMC National Disaster Management Agency aning alkalol ning sefol aning mol mi yala ko wolle mun nyaton ko te pulie diamo nyin ko wala kaaje ko dangoy kala katon ni nyin ko nata jang mantoro keta jang asike non tolbe dabe bulalaw mantoro nyin konole ngal tentu ngal jey alnal badima binta es yaw mimbe camera to wolem fatu embaroti ngal tentu ngal jey fo wati do ala baraka